Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the control center of your device and make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. This might be the first reason. Then you guys want to check your watch. So as you guys can see, I've got the watch right here. Now let me quickly enter the settings, and here in the settings, what you guys can do is go over and make sure that you do have Do Not Disturb disabled right here. So first, check the sound and vibration. Now make sure that ringtones, alarms and notifications are not muted, so disable mute, and you can leave with the rest. Now you can scroll a bit down until you guys see the preferences, and here in preferences, go to Do Not Disturb. Here we want to make sure that the switch is gray because now it's enabled, and we want to make sure that the Do Not Disturb is disabled so we can get notifications. Now what you guys want to do is make sure that the Zap app is running in the background. So let's go over to the settings right here, and now scroll until you see the apps. Here in the apps, we want to make sure that everything is good, so I'll go to app management, and you guys need to find the Zap app. It's usually at the bottom, and here we have permissions. Now we want to see which are allowed and which are not allowed. Make sure that notifications, of course, are allowed. And you guys can even enable allow notifications even when Do Not Disturb is on. So it's for Zap, you guys can enable it. Now, what you guys can do next is go over, and as you guys can see, here we have, let's say, the battery usage. We can see that there's a smart mode, and you guys can allow background activity, so there will be no restrictions. And that being said, your phone can waste a little bit battery on the Zap app. It's not a big number, but still your battery can decrease. And this is what you guys can do to fix the notifications on the watch. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.